Hello guys, welcome to my channel MACFXPRO channel. I thank you very much all of you for watching my all previous videos, and today I will discuss with you about the very best indicator which is the 100 pips forex strategy. So basically this indicator I have wrote about the strategy of this indicator and how this indicator actually works. So basically it's a very easy for you. You no need to read many pages, or you no need to work on different kind of strategies. If you are a beginner, you just follow this strategy and I hope you will earn good profit. So we start here. 100 pips a day forex strategy, 99% winning rate. I have tested this indicator already, and this indicator have a 99% winning rate. So thank you very much for watching my all best indicators videos and Matt Forex YouTube channel. We are absolutely confident this system. I also confident. Okay, so how it's work? Fast track you to consistent low risk profits in your forex trading in just a few minutes every day. Save you a lot of time not having to go through endless pages and hours of videos, books. You just follow the strategy. Because in forex there are many kind of strategies in the market, but the success thing is if you are properly, if you are proper understanding, and if you have your own mindset, then you can absolutely you will win. Okay, so remove any stress from your trading as you trade with a clear set of highly profit rules. For these reasons we urge you to into the system as soon as possible. Thank you very much. So first of all I will tell you the installation procedure. I have this file. If you want this indicator, you can contact with me at my WhatsApp number. I will give you. Copy all these files. I already, this is a basically system how you can attach in MetaTrader 4 platform. I already attached with this. So system is you need to open this, open data folder, and indicators file you need to post there, and template file you need to post there. I already, you can see here, posted already. So after you refresh this one, you click on the 100 pips the strategy, the automatically 100 pips template. When you click, automatically your indicators automatically shown here. Okay, so this was the procedure of the installation, but now I will show you the trading system how it's actually works. Okay, so basically this indicators depends on four strategies. First is 100 pips momentum, 100 pips power, 100 pips trend, and ATR 21. This is the setting of the indicator, but if you want, I already I have everything already settled. You can contact with me and I will give you the indicator. Okay, time frame. Use the 100 pips trading system only 4-hour or daily time frame, because in this time frame it's I have tested, I have got good results. Because if you follow the long term and H4 or D1 time frame, then you know the when in H4 or D1 trend line change, then obviously the 90% is sure market will go down. You can see here there is a changing of the trend line, but in similar way I will show you here. With this chart, you are totally blind, but when you will attach this one, same, you can see here this is H4, this is H4, but when you attach this one, you can see here. Okay, when the red line crosses to the blue line and trend already changed and market go down, and when blue line up, when red line going down. So this is very easy to judge, but I will tell you how the exact entry point is what it is. Okay, so buy rule is open a long position when all these conditions are satisfied. The blue line cuts above the red line. For example, I will show here. Okay, the blue line cut the red line. You can see here crossing. Previous also you can see here from here. Okay, 100 pips power indicator is below. Okay, again cross check, we will check. Here is cutting, and here you can see the lane is below. At this point lane is below, and there also need to below. Okay, 100 pips 3 shows both up arrows. So here is no showing up arrow, so I need to wait. There is not exact entry point, so we need to wait. Basically entry point we will from there, because trend is changing from there, but the 100% sure is market will now go up. At this point you can enter buy at this point also, but if you follow the rule and strategy you must win. So you need to wait. When these all below line upside, there is also below arrows all are also upside, then you can enter on the on confidence, you can enter at this point, and I I hope you will earn good profit. Easily you can make. This is basically system I designed, little bit setting I already have applied with this indicator. Basically this system I have designed because I have tested with many time frames, and then I conclude how you can get good results with which one time frame. So I suggest H4 and D1, and when these three all same, below upside, below lane and below arrows upside, then it's the exact entry point. Okay, sell rule is same. For example, if the red line is upside, for example red line is upside, but you can see here is the yellow line, so it is not the exact time of sell. We need to wait. When this one here red line, but here is one arrow, we need to confirmation 2 arrow. There was 2 arrow this side, but upside was yellow, so it was not the exact time of entry. So we need to wait 2 arrows and these lanes red and upside, then it is the exact time of the selling. So you can see I have designed very easy for you. If you are a beginner, and if you are you can see here easily you can enter in market. So no need to, because at the back end I already set the strategy. You just follow the this system rules and just enter in the market. And after this there are many people confused where can buy, there are many people confused where can set stop loss, where can set take profit. So I will tell you next. Okay, stop loss. The stop loss value will be derived from the 8821 indicator. Stop loss is equal to 0.85 multiply 80R. For example, I will show you. So now the ATR is, you can see here 0.0003. You can set here the stop loss. For example, if you enter here, you can set the stop loss at this point, and you can set the take profit at this point, but at this point you can set the take profit, but you need to check the strategy also. For example, you enter here, there were 2 arrows, all was same, but now there is a changing. You can move your entry point at this point, and SL like a trailing system you can do. Trailing stop you can utilize here with this trade. So it's very easy system for you I have designed. Okay, exit. There are 2 ways to exit your trade. Use take profit level equals or 2 times the stop loss. For example, 1 stop loss and 2 times take profit is the good strategy for the professional trader. Or if you are not following the rules, obviously you will take loss. If you are following the rules, obviously I guarantee you will take profit in the forex market, because I have too many experience and I am sharing my experience with you. For example, at this point you can see the blue line crossing, but there is a yellow line, we cannot enter buy, we need to wait. Here is the exact buy point. Blue line is the upside, here is also below 2 arrow is also already the below. So here is the buy point. You can set the stop loss at the below and take profit there 2 times. 2 times take profit, 1 time stop loss, 2 times take profit. So thank you very much for watching my video, and I hope you have enjoyed and learned something about this indicator. If you can contact with me at this number, at my WhatsApp, already mentioned in my description also there are too many more best indicators and videos already I have uploaded at my YouTube channel. Like and subscribe, and I will try my best bring for you more and more best indicators. Thank you very much.